Today I'm going to show you how I made these miniature rope plant pots. To make these miniature plant pots, you will need a small lid or container. Bathroom products, paint containers, and medicine bottles all work well. First, I'm going to share with you 2 tips for making these miniature plant pots. Firstly, if your container or lid has a hole or an uneven bottom, you can cut a piece of card to size and glue it to the plastic. Second, I always fill the pots with cheap air-dry clay. This can seal the hole at the bottom, but also gives the pot a little bit of weight. Medicine bottles often have an interesting shape to make into plant pots. I use this nose spray to make a plant pot. I cut in the middle with a craft knife, and then cut a circle of cardboard and glued it into the hole. Start by adding glue to your string of choice and then wrap the string around some tweezers. Once the glue is mostly dry, you can gently remove the tweezers. I added a cardboard circle to the bottom of this lid as the surface was uneven. Glue the string to the middle of the bottom and begin to glue the string around the pot. Every now and again you want to push the string down to make sure that it's nice and tight and there's no gaps. Once I get to the top of the pot, I like to make the string go a little bit higher than the lid. This way you won't see any of the lid once it's finished. Once you're finished, cut the string and glue the end of the string to the inside of the pot.